Alright, a very good morning to y'all. Today is a different video because it's time for me to change the oil, but I've never changed it before, so yeah, so let's figure this out together, okay? But I think we can change the engine oil through this plug here, but I don't know, man. So from what I read, it's supposed to drain this and then keep it one side, and then you fill it in, and then why is it so tight? The fuck? So there's this thing down here which I'm supposed to untighten. Oh, it moved a little bit. Oh, it's moving. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Okay, looks like it's gonna I'm not gonna use my hand. Looks like I can burn myself. Wow, okay. Oh, bro, how long does it take for this to go, bro? There you go. Okay, while that is draining, let's take the new oil. I bought this. It's a fully synthetic oil from I don't know where. One of the bike shops was selling it, and I was like, might as well just buy from there, right? Because if you change engine oil yourself, okay, or if you change it at a shop, it's like $30, okay? And if you change it yourself, it's like 10 times cheaper. So I was so dumb. I wanted to pour this in, forgetting that I had to keep this. Plug this in first. Okay, while that's happening, let's just wipe this off. Okay, I don't know why I just pulled off, but I'm just gonna throw it one side. Okay, cool. Now I just have to screw it back in. Okay. Have this. Let's just tighten it back up. It's gonna be tightened. Okay. Wait a bit more. There you go. Alright. Now apparently, okay, so we have this open. Yes, this thing. So your oil is supposed to reach between these two things, but the specs for there are the specs online, and it said that you need to have like a liter or 1.2 liters is the recommended amount. So alright, cool. So let's pour. Okay, let's just make sure the plug below is in. Yeah, it's in. Let me just tighten it a bit more. Okay, there you go. I believe that is sufficient enough to. Yeah, so I have this is a liter. That is very scary. So this is fully synthetic, so that means I can get more range without having to bloody change this all the time. Okay, so it looks like yeah, there's no more to pour. Okay, cool. So what they advice to do is to check the levels again. So close and then open. And yeah, it looks like it's sufficient enough. Alright, so now we have to pour this away. So let's use a bigger one. I don't know how I'm gonna pour this shit. Managed to do that without any spillage. So okay, if you're wondering where you're supposed to dispose this shit, no, it's not in the trash can. Okay, I also don't know. I was like trying to find like a wiki or something, and you have to like to bring it. You can bring it to motorcycle shops, and then they're gonna take it in. Okay, gonna wipe this off, and then can cover this up. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Cool. Okay, we are done with our engine oil change, guys. Hoped that helped you guys. Because I really don't know. This is the first time I'm doing this shit. Okay, I don't know if I'm supposed to throw this away or not, but yeah. Okay, I guess the next time I'm gonna change the oil filter. I guess probably the next month or something. Ow. And yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all sometime soon. Okay, bye bye guys. Bye.